everyone, this is Arjun and I welcome you all to my YouTube channel TechMG Arjun Dikshit. And in this video, I am going to show you how to use your pen drive as a RAM on a Windows PC or a laptop. So let's get started. Follow the steps on the screen. So to use a pen drive as a RAM on a Windows PC or a laptop, you need to insert the pen drive into the USB port of your Windows PC or a laptop and then go to this PC, and over here you need to find your USB drive and then right click on it. After right clicking, go to properties, and in the properties option you need to go to ready boost. In the ready boost option, go to use this device and then click apply. After this, click OK. So you can see that the pen drive is converted into a RAM and it requires 4 GB of storage and we cannot extend it more than 4 GB. To make the pen drive again a pen drive from the RAM, you need to right click on the pen drive, then again go to properties, and in the ready boost option you need to click on do not use this device and click on apply. Then click OK. So you can see that the pen drive is again converted into pen drive, not as a RAM. Thanks for watching this video. If you are facing any tech problems, you can comment below. I will surely be providing support to you. And if you want my videos in Hindi language, you can also comment below. I will start making videos in Hindi language. Please like and subscribe to TechMG Arjun Dikshit.